Hello, children. Welcome to English class. This is Venkanna Bobbili, School Assistant English, ZPHS Kummarikuntla, Dantalapalli Mandal, Mahbubabad District. Class 10th, Unit 1. The theme is Personality Development. Today we are going to discuss reading C from the first unit. I will do it. I will do it is written by Sudha Murthy, the wife of N.R. Narayana Murthy. She is an Indian social worker and author. She is the chairperson of the Infosys Foundation. The present story, I will do it, is a selection from one of our most successful stories. How I taught my grandmother to read and other stories. I will do it is a biographical sketch of Nagavara Ramarao Narayana Murthy, the father of IT sector and the founder of Infosys, a leading IT company in the world. At his childhood, he was short but very sharp. He was the cleverest boy in his class. He was usually silent boy in the class. So he could not be noticed easily by others. Whenever there was a question related to physics or maths, there was a feeling of excitement. He could even grasp theories of science as fast as the speed of light. He was from a poor background but educated family. His father was a high school teacher and an avid reader of English literature. Murthy was one of the aspirants of IIT. He used to dream as a student of the Indian Institutes of Technology. He applied for the entrance test along with his friends. All these aspirants gathered together under the shade of a stone mandap close to Chamundi Hills in Mysore city. He was the guide for others. He would easily solve the problems in the question paper while his friends struggled. The day came to appear for the test. He did very well. Sudha Murthy narrated two different feelings of Murthy regarding education and food. Regarding education, about tests, he says okay when he has done the examination very well, but he says it's okay. But when it comes to food, he says okay when the food is bad. It indicates that his principle was never to hurt anyone. The results came. He got a high rank in the entrance test. He was thrilled and felt very happy. He went to his father, told him that he got good rank in IIT entrance test. He asked him that he wanted to join IIT in Madras, but his family was poor. His father had to be married off 5 daughters and to educate 3 sons. He could not afford the expenses for education at IIT. Hence, his father expressed his helplessness and asked Murthy to study in Mysore as much as he wanted. Murthy was disappointed. His dreams had burnt to ashes. His heart sank in sorrow. He bothered a lot, but never shared his unhappiness or helplessness with anybody. He was an introvert by nature. Introvert means one who is shy and does not enjoy being with other people. The day on which his friends were leaving for Madras, now it is called Chennai, he went to the station to say goodbye and good luck to them for their future life. He stood there even after the train had left. It had started to drizzle, yet he stood there without any emotion. He was really sad. Usually, he should be jealousy of those people, but he was not jealousy of them. He realized that one can fulfill one's dreams and can change one's life by hard work. He followed the philosophy of the Bhagavad Gita. Your best friend is yourself, and your worst enemy is yourself. This is absolutely true. It's all in the state of mind. It's all in the attitude that we possess. It's all in the way of thinking that we do. Later, he focused on hard work and never bothered about his personal life or comforts. Just he wanted to live or lead a simple life. He shared his wealth with others, but never used the help of any caste, community, or political connections to go up in life. He proved that money can be made legally and ethically, and also built a team of people who were as good as him. He became a pioneer of India's software industry and started the information technology wave. Today, he has become an icon of simplicity, uncompromising quality, and fairness, apart from being a philanthropist. He really believes in the motto powered by intellect and driven by values. Powered by intellect and driven by values means a person should have the power of logical thinking and his actions should follow ethical values. Narayana Murthy believes that such people are successful. This is about a biographical sketch of N.R. Narayanamurthy. Thank you.